Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Hey man, I'm falling right behind little bro right there, man. Hey, what we had to do yesterday, he didn't like the tail lights because you know how I blacked them all out and shit. So what I did for him, I took some goof off, rubbed it down, took off the paint. I took off the paint and then I hit it with the clear. He's still gonna order some tail lights, but this is just now for he won't get fucked with. Can't tell him shit. He peeling out, skirting out, trying to get on in this shit. Now I got someone to ride with. Riding MCs back to back. But yeah, man, I'll let y'all know, man, I did order the rims. So y'all gonna have to stay tuned to find out. I did pick which ones I'm going with. So y'all gotta stay tuned and you know, watch all the videos. Little bro smashing. That nigga go. That little bro gone. You can't tell him shit. You can't tell how. Hey, he gone. I'm just a cruiser. He using that supercharger. He's showing me what it do. Let's see. So let's see what it do, man. Let's see what it do, man. Look at him. What's up, bro?
I like
hey.
This motherfucker.
Yeah, you like it?
I like this motherfucker, man. This
Hey.
motherfucker stupid.
Yeah.
You heard me?
Hell yeah.
This motherfucker get up, man. This shit unbelievable, bro. I didn't even know. I think it's that oil change that did it, though.
Oil change made it have more power, huh?
Oh, yeah. Add more horsepower to this motherfucker. You seen it getting off?
Hell
Motherfucker
yeah.
ain't got no front rubber on there no more, man.
He keep
burning out.
He keep burning out like damn. I don't remember doing that shit when I had it.
Yeah, this motherfucker gets stupid.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Ski skirt.
Hell yeah. What's going on, little bro?
Man, what up, man?
What up, man?
Subscribe to Lucky Wheels and Deals, man.
For sure, man. Hey, you got the grill? You got the grill, little bro? Look at him.
Man.
Look at him. Look at him. Hey, he lined up next though. Hey, Chevy gang though, right? Chevy gang.
Man, you already know.
Hell yeah.
Oh, we got lined up out here. Get the.
Let me show y'all. Man. We at Pop's house though, but we gonna show y'all, man. This what Pop's driving. I had to go get. Hey, you gotta go get the keys off Pop's for the. Hey, drop the top on him one time. Yeah, that one supercharged V6, and that's V. Yeah, that's the one I had.
Keep it in the film. You got the V8 right there.
So Pop's got the truck. He got the Silverado.
Z28 coming.
Hell yeah. Z28 coming. All jacked up and shit. Hell yeah. Man. Hell yeah though. Hey, we got a little unboxing for y'all, man.
This black retro look.
Hey, we got a little, yeah, this the retro mobbing. Oh yeah. Our rock's gonna look clean as fuck.
Oh, that's how I want it looking though, man.
Nigga.
That retro look, man.
On me.
So let the subscribers see.
Man.
That's the motherfucking gonna look just like.
Got that SS Monte Carlo, man. Gotta get the retro look.
Hell yeah, that's gonna look clean as fuck on this shit.
Less, man.
Hell yeah.
It's all coming, man.
Hey man, I gotta do a walk around the Pops Camaro. I be forgetting he got this damn Camaro.
Hell yeah. Just be put up, man.
Hey, Pop's a Chevy man too. Hell yeah.
2017 Camaro.
17. It's an RSV6. That motherfucker still roll though.
That motherfucker still kick out
This
300.
nigga was on the highway with a V8, bro. He kept playing with Pop. Pop stumped on that bitch. That nigga went here on.
For us?
He finally got on it, bro. It was
Hell
like
yeah.
110, push.
Miami was with us.
Oh, for us?
Smash.
Smashing, bro.
Damn.
I didn't even know he got it like that. And it's in eco mode.
Hell yeah.
Eco mode, save your damn gas.
Oh yeah, Chevy gang.
That nigga put up in the light.
Ain't nothing but Chevys. Ain't nothing but Chevys in my driveway. Ain't nothing but Chevys in Paul's driveway. Shit. That's how we do it, man.
Man, got that new screen, man. Just came in today. Early Christmas gift to myself. Let's bust it open, see what's up.
Bust it. Bust it. We gonna keep y'all updated. I told y'all we gonna keep y'all updated.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
That's the one you want, man.
That's
That
the
2300.
one.
Next.
Got the Apple CarPlay. Oh, you in the game.
Apple CarPlay. Let's
Merry Christmas. Christmas came early.
Christmas came early to my motherfucking self. Let's see what's coming. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, and you got the mic. I forgot all
Everything.
about that, bro. You got the mic, so you could be
Got the
talking
mic,
talking
talk
business.
my shit.
Hey, talking business
Came with some
while you
damn
driving.
screws.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
What's this? Oh,
That's
shit.
for your auxiliary to charge your phone.
Got the, what's this?
Oh, just the wires
Plug in.
to plug in.
Got the plug in, man. You know what I'm saying? This warranty bullshit. Let's see the screen. Oh shit. Got it.
Look at him. He said, I want to see the screen.
Fuck all that other shit. This is the screen. Oh yeah, that motherfucker's clean. Fan on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's that.
That motherfucker sitting right.
Yeah,
Look
that's
at
that
him.
motherfucker, man.
Look at the reflection in that bitch.
Yeah, that bitch clean, man. It's coming,
Oh,
man.
yeah.
Y'all thought I was playing. It's coming, man.
He
They
ain't
thought
playing.
I was playing.
Hey,
It's
he
coming,
ordering
man.
every goddamn thing. I'm
It's
telling
coming,
you.
man.
Hey, he got he went all out.
playing, bro.
He got like
For real.
on your thing. You got about like 10 different things in your cart. You didn't order a bunch of shit, man.
It's coming. Let's fill that back up so it's ready to go in.
Hell yeah.
That shit coming, man. Y'all thought I was playing. That's a little something, man. That's the first gift.
That's the first package. He ordered a gang of shit.
Dang, man. FedEx gonna be in my shit every day.
Every day.
Every day, man. They thought it was a joke. Shit
Hell
coming.
yeah, bro. Shit. I can't wait to see what the IROCs look like on this bitch. And this motherfucker, they both gonna get IROCs at the same fucking time.
Thursday.
At the same fucking time.
Coming Thursday.
Yep, a few more days. Y'all see the IROCs. That shit, man, these motherfuckers gonna look clean as fuck. Hell yeah, but yeah, I'm about to let's go see. You know, it's just a little RS V6, but hey, it drops the top. It does what it do. Well, I gotta do a full. I want to do a full walk around video of this car. Let's drop the top. Oh, let me start this shit. All right, bro. Hey, drop the top.
To everything and wonderful.
You gotta let down the windows.
You gotta let down the windows. All the back ones. How you do this shit? You get in there, man. I just want them to see how it dropped. Optimus Prime. Oh shit. That shit dropping the top. That shit player. That shit boss. That shit boss. You gotta hold it, bro. That shit boss. Y'all can't tell me that shit ain't boss. But look at him, man. Motherfucker looking right. Yeah, I'm gonna do a full walk around video of this RS V6. But yeah, man, y'all seen everything. Y'all stay tuned to what I got coming out. I'm gonna ride this one out. So make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wills and Deals, and I'm out. Peace.